Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to setting a cover video in CapCut. So a cover video means that it's like the same as thumbnail. So when you when you export the project later, it will also upload the cover. So to set the cover video, you can just click on this box right here. There is a cover option, click on that. Then here you can select the cover from your video, or you can also upload an image from your gallery. Okay, I'm going to just select from the video. Okay, here I'm going to just swipe to select the frame, for example this one's right here. Then after that, if you want you can also use the cover template from CapCut. Just choose which one that you think fits your needs the best. For example, I want to use okay, this one's right here. Maybe just click on a template, click on a check icon, and then you can just add tags if you want, or you can also edit the tags here. I'm going to write tongue boss tutorial, for example. Click on a check icon, and then in here you can also click on edit cover, but it will lead you to a third party app, Hypic. I'm not going to use that one, so I'm going to just go to CapCut again. Then after that, you can also adjust like the text. For example, I want to put it in here, then click on save, and just like that, your cover video has been set. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye bye.